Hi everybody, this is Will at Walter, and today I'm going to give you guys a quick refresher on how to install and remove the arbors and chucks from our magnetic drill line. So this is going to apply to all drills starting from our ICECUT 250 series to the 300 and to the 400. I'm going to start by installing the chuck. So what we do is we're going to take our arbor here, and depending on the drill it's going to have an MT2 or an MT3 taper, and we're going to insert it into the spindle of the drill. And as we insert it, we should feel it click into place a little bit, and once it clicks into place, we know that it's properly seated. Usually what I do at this stage is I take a little dead blow hammer like this orange one here, and I give it a little tap to make sure it's all properly seated, and that's going to make sure that our arbor is properly installed. Now to take it back out, what we're going to need to do is find the hole on the side of our motor casing where we could insert this drift that I have here. And what this drift is going to do is it has an angle on it, and we keep this angle facing downwards, and we insert it into the hole, and we give it a little tap with a hammer, and this is going to help us get the chuck or the arbor for the annular cutter back out of the holes. So it's a pretty simple process, but sometimes what happens is we don't see all the way through our drill through that little hole there. And this could pose problems for when we're trying to remove the arbor. If you run into the problem where you can't insert the drift properly into the drill, what we have to do is we have to rotate the spindle of the drill until we could see all the way through the casing. And to do this, what we have to do is we have to take the gear selector switch and rotate it up and down a little bit and rotate the spindle at the same time until we're able to rotate the entire spindle of the drill and we could see through it. Once we're able to see through it, then we could take the drift and insert it into the drill so that we could actually remove the arbor from the drill, and we're good to go. So as you can see, it's a pretty straightforward process. We installed the chuck, we took a little dead blow hammer to give it a nice tap so that it's properly seated in the spindle of the drill, and then we used our drift and another hammer to remove the arbor from the drill properly, and it didn't take us much time at all. Thanks for watching.